what happens when you see a live looper doing his thing, and you see him reacting at his own songs, but you still don't know what the fuck is going on in his ears, you know. So I think that's really fascinating. But it also tells you, like, the way that the person moves with the loop station and acts and reacts, that really tells you a lot about its personality, even without hearing, you know, what he's actually hearing. But yeah, that's very, very interesting, actually. Silence is the how do you say that? It's light and dark, you know. It's the thing that has to be there for music to make sense, and for even, you know, sentences to make sense. You know, even when you're talking to somebody and you wait to say that thing, that makes it even more powerful, because silence is not expected somehow, and we're not accustomed to listen to silence because there's no sound. So that's the whole beauty of it. I'm in this car, and I want to listen to some music, but there's no car radio. Somebody stole my car radio, and now I just sit in silence. You just have to face yourself and face your thoughts, and so that's the image that really, you know, hit me when I first heard these lyrics.
I ponder of something great, my lungs will feel and then deflate. They fill with fire, exhale desire. I know it's time, my time today. I have this thought so often I had to replace that slot with one I was back, cause somebody stole my car radio, and I would just sit in silence. But you know, sometimes quiet is violent. I find it hard to hide in my pride is low. Stronger inside, it's on my sleeve. My skin will scream, reminding me of who I killed inside my dream. I hate this scar that I'm driving, there's no hiding from me. I'm forced to deal with what I feel. There is no distraction to mess what is real. I can pull the steering wheel. I have this thought so often I had to replace the slot with one I was back, cause somebody stole my car radio, and I would just sit in silence. I ponder of something terrifying, cause this time there's no sign to hide behind. To find over the course of a human existence, one thing consists of consistence, and that's the real battling fear. God, I don't know if you know why we hear. Oh my, too deep, please stop thinking. I liked it better when my car had sounds. There are things we can do, but from what you choose there are only two, and from the two that you choose to do, this will win or fear will lose. And there's faith and there's sleep. We need to pick one, please, cause faith is to be awake, and to be awake is to try to think, and to try to think is to be alive. And I will try with every rhyme to come across like I am dying, to let you know you need to try to think. I have this thought so often I had to replace that slot with one I was back, cause somebody stole my car radio, and I would just sit in silence.
The kind of voice that screams this out is really powerful.
Yeah.
And makes kind of feel the desperation in some kind of way that comes with facing your own demons. When it's just you in silence, that there's nothing you can do about it.
I have these thoughts so often I have to
Alright, we lit it. Do you hear me? One, let's go.
Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know. Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know.
Je weet ik breng de zomer in december. DJ gang member, dark skin nigga, die bitches noemen me handsome. Zie me dan met Itje of met Chenna of met Spanker. Jij weet dat die vissa is begonnen when we enter. Sip die henny puur, mix het af en toe met gember. Vind me in de buurt voor die bridden daar bij Venster. Drop alleen maar vuur, ja dit is je summer anthem. Shorty like mijn moves, maar ze weet ik ben geen dancer. Doe niet aan die dancer, doe niet aan relations. Ik ben in Mercedes, ik pull up in een eentje. Dit stop je feestje, wil mijn money major. Original blue ear, them my imitation.
Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know. Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know. Cause you already know how the thing set. One touch, everything wet. This plus 4, keep 'em in check. Overseas, nana get you wetter than any gym test. Dodgy Gabbana, I say styling on all these hoes. Switch it up regular, make it feel like I'm a hoe. Bitch pop it like Mary, what's in my bag? A lot of dough. Yeah, she pretty, but she don't better than me when I'm on road. Come over, daddy, wat wil je doen? Schat je weet zelf what happens in my room. Cookie, now the new key. From the front to the back, no rookie. Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know. Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know.
Was al lang op die tiger shit, sinds back in the days. Je baby mama like my shit. Hop in die plane, zeg maar wie komt zo fly als dit. Mannen zijn lame, iedereen weet je bite mijn shit. Maar niet in mijn lane, dan kom je met survival kit. Flow is gemeen, maakt niet uit welke mic het is. Als ik walk over stage, lijkt alsof het Michael is. Zijn niet de same, maar ze kom ik recycle niks. Ballen insane, mijn nigga heeft die pipe op hip. Dikke ass, maar ze zeg maar baby bij me dit. Shorty laat de ass klappen en ze rijdt die dik. Original young Don, geen hype voor niks. Mijn vibe is lit, you get me.
Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know. Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know. Yo, big up spank up on the rhythm, yeah. Mad. Original blue ear, them my imitation. Physical body, girl, if I in temptation. Ay, don't know.